If you've had your green card for less than 2 years, consider postponing your travel plans until we know for sure whether or not customs might target you. Avoid countries on the proposed travel ban list. If you are from one of those banned countries, or if you've traveled there recently, you could get stopped at the airport. Immigration officials have already been detaining and deporting green card holders from these countries, so be extra cautious. Now might not be the time to travel internationally. Do not sign the Form I-407. If an immigration officer tries to pressure you into signing anything, do not sign anything without the presence of an attorney. They cannot force you to sign it, and for now, only an immigration judge can legally take away your green card if there is an issue. So insist on seeing a judge, and do not let these immigration agents bully you into submission. And get legal advice before you travel, especially if you have any issues. If you have any criminal history, I 100% recommend that you do not travel, even if these things were dismissed. We just do not know what will happen. Even minor offenses from many years ago could trigger an issue. However, if you are staying inside the United States, Trump's immigration crackdown could still affect you. So here are some ways to protect yourself here at home. First, keep your green card and other immigration documents up to date. If your green card is expiring soon, make sure to renew it ASAP. Also, make sure your passport and work permits are valid. This way, you have documentation in case you are questioned. Next, report any address changes to USCIS. If you move, you must update your address with the USCIS within 10 days. Plus, missing any important letters could put your status at risk. Avoid any contact with the criminal justice system. Even low-level offenses like DUIs or minor drug charges could still be weaponized by the Trump administration and cause you to be placed into proceedings. If you get arrested for any reason, talk to an immigration lawyer immediately. Be careful about public statements and the use of your social media. The Trump administration is monitoring immigrants' social media accounts, looking for anything that they can use to justify taking away your residency. If you've ever supported protests or made any public statements about Palestine, immigration, or other controversial topics, be aware that these could be used against you. Know your rights if ICE stops you. You do not have to answer their questions about your immigration status. You have the right to stay silent and ask to speak to your attorney. Do not sign anything without the presence of an attorney and without the proper legal advice. And finally, if you're worried about your status, now is the time to act. Becoming a citizen is the best way to protect your rights in a permanent manner, but you must make sure that you're eligible, otherwise that could create a problem as well. If you're not eligible yet, stay informed and take steps to protect yourself, because as we have seen, even green card holders may be targeted. My name is Mamita Rahman, and I have been practicing immigration law for the past 15 years. We have helped thousands of immigrants get their legal status fixed across the entire country, and even during the last Trump administration. And we would love to do the same for you. If you would like my help on your case, give our office a call to schedule a case evaluation at 212-248-7907. We are based in New York, and we serve clients in all 50 states. And if you want to learn more about what the Trump administration has planned with their new travel ban, be sure to watch my other video that explains how it works. This time around, he's not just preventing people from immigrating into the US, he's actively targeting persons who are already here. I'll include a link to that video next. Click here, and I'll see you soon. Works. This time around, he's not just preventing people from immigrating into the US, he's actively targeting persons who are already here. I'll include a link to that video next. Click here, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Miss Mamuda, man. And do check out our channel, man. But these are truly desperate and desolate times, and we all gotta be careful. Trust no one. Because peep this, your next door neighbor could be the one giving you up for a cool $750. Because look at it. With the economy crashing, people are losing their jobs. They can't pay their bills. They can't pay their rent, their mortgages. And you're telling me that if 6 undocumented individuals live in a house down by the road or beside you, and I'm not speaking this about everybody, because some people do have morals, and thank God that those people still exist, including myself. Now, I'm not saying everybody is going to do this, but you're telling me if 6 or 7 undocumenteds live in the house down the way and people broke, hey, they're going to start mathing the math. They're gonna start get their calculators out and be like 6 times 7 multiplied by divide, and this could pay my rent, this could take care of my car note, this could, and I'm gonna have $3 grand left. No, that's too much. I won't have like 1,500 left to go to party. Where the rest of them immigrants at? I'm telling on everybody, we not safe.